Hello, welcome to my Preply classroom. My name is Susan. I'm a native English speaker from Los Angeles, California in the United States, and I currently live in the beautiful countryside of Japan. I've traveled all over the United States and throughout Japan, China, France, and I've been to South America. I love meeting new people, and I'm looking forward to meeting you too. I currently teach adult English conversation classes here in Japan for my local community. I've been teaching for over 2 years now, and I especially love seeing my students' confidence grow as they see their improvements. I like to personalize my lessons around each student's life, teaching vocabulary that you'll actually use. For beginners, we'll work together to customize dialogues like introductions to get you speaking right away. I have a bachelor's degree in fine art, so I approach language in a creative and intuitive way. I do like to keep my class structured, but if you're interested in letting a conversation flow into many different topics, I'm here for the exploration, and I'll help you with any grammar, pronunciation, and new vocabulary along the way. I'm looking forward to meeting you and hearing about your interests and why you want to learn English. Whether it's for travel, work, or fun, let's say hello and practice English together. Why not book a class with me today?